Grab your pen. In these final minutes of trade, Morgan Stanley releasing a list of 30 stocks. It says you should buy now and hold for the next 3 years. Yeah, until 2021. Now, some of those companies include heavy hitters you may already own. Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft, but then they throw in Dollar General, Domino's Pizza, and Visa, among others. Let's bring in Cornerstone Wealth Managing Partner Jeff Carbone for what, I don't know, what you think is missing from that list.
Yeah, I think when you look at, or when I look at the list, it's very spread out between large cap growth. Great companies that you mentioned, I know we have in our portfolio. We've owned many of them, and we continue to own many of the stocks that are in there. However, I think with the lack of mid-cap, small-cap space or sectors are missing in that list, so I think there's definitely some companies there. And probably the biggest area that we've had some in recent weeks has been energy. And I know the energy sector is one of the best performing sectors as of late. And I think MLPs, master limited partnerships, that have a great opportunity right now, and with a nice 6 to 7% dividend. And then I think when I look at some of the technology, also I think maybe some semiconductors and quite a few other areas that could be on that list as well.
Well, let's break it down by sectors. Aside from energy, what else do you see there? I mean, and we just looked at what you called the four horsemen, and they didn't look like small caps. These are Johnson & Johnson and Home Depot that you're saying buy on the dip?
Well, and I think with the four horsemen that I mentioned in there, I think it's to buy on the dips, yes, but those are the long-term staples that we put in our portfolio: Home Depot, Boeing, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. Yeah. I like them. Yeah. Go ahead.
I was just going to say, I see other names here on Morgan's list: Estee Lauder, First Republic Bank, Marsh & McLennan, Raytheon, Prologis. These aren't tiny companies.
No, not at all. I mean, when you look at, I look at what's going on with the economy. We still have a growing economy. We could say, some may say it's the late stage in the economy, or mid-late stage. You can look at where we are with a growing economy. Small, mid-cap tend to perform really well. All right. Don't forget to take a look at those.